In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for football match analysis. Whether you're a football enthusiast looking to enhance your analysis skills or someone interested in the betting market, this video has got you covered. First things first, you'll want to open ChatGPT. To do this, navigate your browser to chat.openai.com. If you haven't done so already, log into your account to gain access. Once you're in, start a fresh conversation by opening a new chat. This will ensure that you have a blank slate to work with as you delve into the world of football statistics and betting strategies. Now, let's begin by asking ChatGPT for a match analysis. For instance, you might be curious about how Manchester United and Chelsea have been performing against each other. You could type in a query like, "Give me a head-to-head comparison between Manchester United and Chelsea based on their last 5 matches." This way, ChatGPT can scour its database and provide you with detailed insights about recent games between these two teams, helping you understand their current form and performance dynamics. Next, to deepen your analysis, you can request player and team stats. A good example here would be to ask, list the top 5 goal scorers for Manchester United this season, along with their goals and assists. This will allow ChatGPT to present data that highlights the standout players from the team and adds depth to your understanding of potential match outcomes or areas where players might excel in upcoming games. Of course, football analysis goes beyond just looking at past performances and player stats. Understanding the betting market is also crucial, so it's helpful to ask ChatGPT for explanations on various betting concepts. You might say, explain how over-under betting works in football with a simple example. ChatGPT can break down these concepts into simple terms, making it easier for you to grasp how to apply this knowledge to your betting strategies. Once you have your analysis and some insights into the betting scene, it's time to build strategy ideas. You can ask ChatGPT, based on the last 10 games of both teams, what patterns can you find that may influence betting decisions? Show it in a table format. With this request, ChatGPT can identify patterns such as scoring trends, defensive strengths or weaknesses, and other critical insights that can guide your betting approach. Finally, after gathering all these insights, it's important to save or copy this valuable information. To do this, simply highlight the results you're interested in and then copy them to your preferred document or notes application. This way, you can easily refer back to your analysis at any time. So there you have it, a straightforward way to leverage ChatGPT for football match analysis and build strategies that score. Thanks for tuning in, and happy analyzing.